In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group elements in Wix. Whether you're designing a new site or updating an existing one, the ability to group elements is a crucial skill that can streamline your workflow and enhance your site's overall appearance. Grouping allows you to manage multiple elements as a single unit, making it easier to move, resize, or modify them without affecting your layout's consistency. It's especially useful when you have a complex design that incorporates multiple text boxes, images, or shapes that need to stay together. First, let's start by going to the Wix website editor. So fire up your browser and log into your Wix account. Once you're in, navigate to the My Sites section and open the site you want to work on. From there, you'll quickly find yourself in the Wix website editor, which looks like most graphic editing software but tailored specifically for web design. This is where all the magic happens. It's loaded with tools and features designed to give you total creative control over your website's design. Now that you're in the editor, let's move on to selecting the elements you want to group. Start by clicking on the first element you want to include. Hold down the Shift key and proceed to click on any additional elements you wish to add to your group. You'll notice that each selected element is highlighted, indicating that it's part of your current selection. This ability to select multiple elements simultaneously is what makes the grouping process efficient and effective. Once you have your elements highlighted, the next step is to group them. And this is where Wix makes things incredibly simple. With your elements highlighted, look towards the top of the page and you should find the Group Elements button. Go ahead and click on it. This action combines the highlighted elements into a single unit, making it easier to manage them as one. You'll find that this grouped format is especially useful when you're looking to apply uniform changes or organize sections of your page efficiently. Congratulations, you've successfully grouped your elements. This new group behaves as a single entity, but Wix also provides the flexibility to ungroup them if needed. Should you decide to make changes to individual elements or rearrange your design, you can easily break the group down by selecting the group and using the ungroup option. This ensures you retain flexibility while maintaining efficiency. Remember, organizing and managing your design elements effectively is crucial for any website project. Grouping elements not only declutters your workspace, but also enhances your site's visual structure. Keep practicing, and soon this will become second nature, elevating both your skills and your website to the next level. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other Wix tutorials for more helpful tips and tricks.